Here's the news of the day. Airbus Helicopters secured a contract to deliver 12 H225M helicopters to Iraq for missions like counter-terrorism and troop transport. Deliveries will begin in 2025. Robinson Helicopter received FAA approval to double the service life of R66 components, reducing maintenance costs by 6% and overhaul reserves by 25%, boosting efficiency. The FAA granted a letter of acceptance to Vantis, North Dakota's UAS network, enabling safer and scalable beyond visual line-of-sight drone operations, boosting the commercial drone sector. Moya Aero successfully completed its first transition flight with a subscale eVTOL prototype, reaching 83 kilometers per hour. The company plans to test a larger prototype later this year. Volocopter CEO Dirk Hoek will step down in February 2025, focusing on achieving EASA certification before his departure. Dr. Dieter Zetscher is the newly appointed chairman of the advisory board. Merlin has begun flight testing its certification-ready Cessna Caravan with advanced automation technology, aiming to validate its Merlin pilot system for takeoff-to-touchdown automation. Malaysia launched the Aviation Decarbonization Blueprint, focusing on sustainable aviation fuel and carbon reduction in line with ICAO goals. Kyle Scott, co-founder and CEO of CO Fire Aviation, tragically lost his life in an aerial flight in Colorado. He was a leader in aerial firefighting and a beloved member of the aviation community. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.